What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell from the title, we'll be doing an install on this beautiful wig. So cute. My curls fell, but it's still giving, so yeah, that should tell you something. But anyways, today this video will be partnered by Vivi, Baby, but they changed their name to GirlsGlow hair. Make sure you guys go shop with them. This is all of their information, period. I'm not sure if they have this Instagram and stuff anymore, but I know they changed their name to GirlsGlow. So make sure you guys go shop with GirlsGlow hair. It will be in the description. If you guys want to see this full install, make sure you just keep watching this video. And that's period. Like, this wig is very much giving what it's supposed to give, like, and that's on period. But yeah, if y'all like this, make sure you go shop. The link will be in the description. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you want to watch me install this wig, make sure you just continue to watch. And I didn't have time to curl it on camera though, because I was kind of trying to hurry up. But once again, go follow them on all their social medias, and also go follow me on all of my social medias. Everything will be in the description below. And yeah, we're gonna get right into this video. And period.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
you been acting when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And be like, bitch, you with their own shit, you don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't need. Goddamn, I'm with it. Hey, goddamn, I'm with it. I'm with it. Goddamn, I'm with it. Yeah, money now, you switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go, I'm with it. I'm with it. Yeah, money now, you switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And be like, bitch, you with their own shit, you don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't need. Goddamn, I'm with it. Hey, goddamn, I'm with it. I'm with it. Goddamn, I'm with it. Yeah, money now, you switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I'm with it. I'm with it. Goddamn, I'm with it. Yeah, money now, you switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And be like, bitch, you with their own shit, you don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't need. Goddamn, I'm with it. Hey, goddamn, I'm with it. I'm with it. Goddamn, I'm with it. Yeah, money now, you switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I'm with it. I'm with it. Goddamn, I'm with it. Yeah, money now, you switched up on me. I used to think about about how you would act when a nigga got money. Now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing new, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And be like, bitch, you put their own shit, you don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't goddamn. I'm winning. Hey.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. My curls kind of fell because you know I had to take pictures and everything to model for Girls Glow hair. So you know, this is the final look. It's the edges, you know, it looks really good. Even though the curls fell, you know, it's still giving. But yeah, make sure you guys go check out the link in the description. Go shop with them. Everything will be down below. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair. Real cute, real silky, you know. So yeah, like I said, check out the link in the description if you guys would like to purchase this wig or any other wig. Just go ahead and check out the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And yeah, make sure you guys go like my pictures on Instagram. I'll put it right here. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah.